here we have given the question as the density of sulfuric acid solution is 1.2 gram per ml and it is 20% sulfuric acid by mass. Calculate the molarity. So we have calculated the molarity of solution, and the molarity is given as the moles of solute divided by the volume of solution. So first we have to calculate the moles of sulfuric acid. Now for that we will go step by step. As we know, the density is equals to mass upon volume. As here the volume is not given, we will assume it to be 1 liter, which is equals to 1000 ml. Therefore, the mass of solution is equals to density of solution, which is 1.2 gram per ml, into volume of solution, which is 1000 ml. Therefore, the mass of solution is going to be 1200 gram. Now, from the mass of solution, we can calculate the mass of solute, that is the mass of sulfuric acid, by using the formula of percent by mass, as percent by mass is equals to mass of solute H2SO4 here divided by mass of solution H2SO4 solution into 100. So we have the percent by mass as 20. Then mass of H2SO4 we have to calculate, divided by mass of solution here 1200 gram into 100. Therefore, the mass of H2SO4 is equals to 20 into 1200 gram divided by 100, which is going to be equals to 240 gram. Now we have molarity equals to moles of H2SO4 divided by volume of solution in liter. Therefore, moles of H2SO4 is equals to mass of H2SO4 we have calculated as 240 gram divided by molar mass of H2SO4, which is 96 gram per mole, which is equals to 2.5 mole. Therefore, molarity of H2SO4 solution is going to be equals to the moles of H2SO4 2.5 moles divided by volume of solution, which is 1 liter. Hence the molarity is 2.5 mole per liter, or the molarity is going to be equals to 2.5 molar. In this way, we can calculate the molarity of H2SO4 solution, which have a density equals to 1.2 gram per ml, and the percent by mass of the solution is 20%. Thank you. Hope it will help you.